Close your eyes then. Hold my hand. Keep your eyes closed. Keep your eyes closed. Keep your eyes closed.
Hang on,
Keep
Louie.
your eyes closed.
What are you getting? What are you getting? No, what have I got for you? What have I got for you? A really big...
Toolbox.
How big is it?
That really big.
Are you ready? There it is. Can you fit all your tools in there?
And it's really heavy.
Is that okay? Is that what you wanted?
Yeah. The other one.
The blue one? Or do you want this one?
What do
Or do you want this one?
Because I thought it was fun.
What one do you want? What toolbox do you want? This one or this one?
That one.
You picked the wrong box.